Alright, what's up guys? Like I said in my last video, I said I was gonna be showing you my new computer build, and there it is right there. Just gonna give you a quick look. There's the fan controller right there. Looks really nice. That's the Aerocool. In case you guys are wondering, that's the V12 XT. And I also mounted these shelves right here, just to kind of show off the boxes, all the components I went with this computer build. So let me just give you a quick look. There's the Intel i7 2600K, is an LGA 1155. There's the motherboard by ASUS, the HX750 Deluxe. There's the Corsair Vengeance 16GB DDR3, Corsair power supply HX750. Here I got the Radeon HD6870, the dual fan edition, V6 GT Cooler Master, the solid state drive by OCZ Vertex 3 120GB, the Razer Mamba, and the fan controller, the keyboard Razer Lycosa Mirror Special Edition. And that's all. That's everything that's in this case. Some of the accessories. So just give me a second. I'm gonna be opening up the side panel to give you a quick look inside of the case. Actually it took me about, for this particular case, it took me about 8 hours, to be honest. Not because I was having a difficult time building the computer, but because of cable management. What I was really trying to accomplish here was to make this computer look nice and neat. So it turned out pretty well. I like the way everything turned out to be. Didn't have a problem at the first boot up. So yeah, just give me a second. I'm gonna be opening up the side panel and show you guys a quick look inside of the case. Be right back. Alright, so here's the inside of the case. As you can see, there's the lights running across around the case. That is the NXT sleeved blue LEDs. It looks really neat. I like how that turned out to be. So it goes all the way around, through here, up, across here, and back down here. And then it connects to this module. It also included this module, so that way you won't have to connect it to the motherboard. I thought that was neat. And also you could turn it. It has you could set the adjustment of the brightness. Right now I have it in medium. Even in medium, it's really bright. This thing is really brights up your computer, the inside of the computer case. And so yeah, let me just change the adjustment. Right now that's in low, medium, and high. Really bright. And also you could turn it off. And there you go. I'm just gonna have it off for now, because for this video I think it's really bright. And there's the Cooler Master V6 GT. You could change the LEDs. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's probably a little bit too bright. But that's purple. You could turn it off too. That is red. And blue. And of course I'm gonna leave it at blue because it matches with my computer case. There's Oh yeah, one thing, the only problem I had with this computer build was I don't know if you guys can see that it's a little bit tight right there. You know, it kind of collides. It's too tight with this fan right here. So you know, I kind of had to like push it in to this side right here. So you know, that's a really tight fit. But everything turned out to be pretty good. You know, the memory still reads. You know, so that's not really that big of a problem. But you know, I was having a difficult time putting this in, and also this memory. Oh shit, this memory RAM right there. So yeah. There's the video card. Just Radeon HD, double disapparition. The motherboard itself. Power supply. And yeah, you know, that's as neat as I can get with this computer build. You know, to be honest, couldn't get really neater than this. You know. And on the back side, you know, there's all my cables routing throughout the whole system. I'm gonna be showing you that in a minute. There's the extra fan I added in there, you know, just to kind of complete the look of it, and also, you know, it also helps with the airflow. It really cools down my system. You know, my system at idle stays at around, I believe, at about 25 Celsius, and when it's on full load, it will probably go up to 50 Celsius. So that's, you know, that's pretty good. And here I have the solid state drive mounted in. It's kind of dusty right now. Yeah, there it is right there. It's a really fast solid state drive. I would highly recommend that. There's the back. And over here I got the Razer Mamba. Pretty nice looking mouse. I really like it. Really smooth, especially when playing games. Really smooth. Over here you could change the DPI, the sensitivity of the mouse. Here you have some extra buttons. Really like it. Cool thing is when it charges, it pulsates. The light pulsates. Really like it. It's really nice. This the charging dark. The battery indicator. Whoops. Damn it. I'm always messing up every time I record. Anyways, yeah, there's the charger indicator right there. Well, when it's in red, that's the DPI. When it's in green, that's the charging indicator. There's the Razer Lycosa keyboard, special mirror edition. It's really shiny. You can see my reflection there. There's my headphones and audio speakers. These speakers are actually to make music, you know, which I kind of do. I do music. And there's the external sound card, also by M-Audio. There's my 2 terabyte external hard drive, Western Digital, Acer 23-inch monitor, some HD camera, webcam, and DVDs, some burners. So yeah guys, I think that's about it. I think I've covered everything in this video.